Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to do this, what I'm doing. So all you need to do is to have a Dell Chromebook like mine, and then go ahead and go to, go to Google Chrome, okay? Oh God, sorry, there's a mosquito in my room and he's really annoying. You need to go to Google Chrome. It's not showing it, but go to Google Chrome and then look up Screencast-O-Matic. Then go to the first link and video editor, and then click start recording for free. And then there will be a little thing up here where it says to launch it, and when it launches correctly, there will be all these things. You get 15 minutes of recording, but it's $15 every year to pay for a year. So it's, if you guys want to record for 15 for all year, but every single month, I think it costs $15. So yeah, and then you can once you start recording, you can go just to your webcam. What's up? Or you can go to both, or you can just go to your screen. I think. Hold on. I think you can go to your just your screen, and then, or you can do both. Go to both, and yeah, I really hope this helped you, and I really hope this helped you. Yeah.